Hi, this is Nash Sharma, and in this session, we will discuss the HLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel. HLOOKUP function. It searches the data or scans the data in a table which is organized horizontally. This function, HLOOKUP function, can support the approximate searching and the exact matching with the wildcard. As you can see the syntax, HLOOKUP, then the lookup value, the first value, the value we want to search in the data. Second, table array. This is the range we select in the data, and the row index number. It means we have to define in which row we want to search the data. Then finally, range lookup. By default, HLOOKUP function works in a approximate searching, but we can change this mode using the file. Now we check the HLOOKUP function with practical. So we have data. The first data, the product, the mouse, CPU, keyboard, monitor, hard disk, RAM, and cover. Then quantity, and in third row we have the price per item 34, 30, 55. So data are organized in the horizontal form. Suppose I need some kind of calculation, say monitor, and first of all I need to find the price per item for the monitor. So this is the monitor, so it's say 45. I type the manually, then quantity say 22, and then enter. So we have the multiplication of this one 45 and 22. This is the formula. If I need to calculate the total for the other item, then again I type the name of the product and find the value price per item for that product. If there is a huge data, say 10,000 records, 20,000 records, then it would be very difficult to find the particular data and the price per item for that product in a big data. So what is the solution? Solution is the HLOOKUP function if the data is organized in a horizontal form. So first of all, we will decide what we have to find. We have to find the price per item. It means according to this data, if we take this row 1, row 2 and row 3. So we have to find the price per item. Say, we'll write the function here. HLOOKUP. In HLOOKUP, the first parameter is the lookup value, which value will search in the first column of the table. So I'll type the value in the A7, then A7. Now data range, in which range you want to search the data. So I select this whole range from B3 to H5. Then next parameter, the row index, because you have to take out the value for the price per item, and according to the selection, this is the third row. So we'll third row. That's it. So monitor, it's a 45. If we check the monitor, this is a 45, and quantity, this is the total. If we change, say CPU, and for CPU it's a 30, and multiply 20, this is the total. So first of all, it will look the first column of the table, and then we'll find the value in the third column, third row. So this is how you can use the HLOOKUP function if the data is organized in horizontal form. Now, every time we need the calculation for the different product, so we need to type the product name here. Rather than typing the name of the product, we can create the list of the product. Say data validation, then list, and select the range. This mouse, CPU, keyboard. Now okay, now we have a drop down. So keyboard by default, value change per item. Now hard disk, value change price per item, that is the 30. Now suppose your data is on the other sheet. We check the sheet 1, and we have the data, product, quantity, price per item, chair, mouse and table. So we want our lookup function to access the data from this sheet. So now this time we'll use this A10. Then the range selection. Go to sheet 1 and select the range. Again type the row number, third row, because the price per item is the third row according to our selection. And that's it. Okay, now we have say chair. Now we have the value for 34 for the chair. We change table, we have the value for the 55. So this is how we can access the data from the other sheets using the HLOOKUP function. So guys, this was all about the HLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching the video.